Welcome back to our See Yourself Here series, where we're introducing you to student life here at Treasure Valley Community College. Today, we're looking at how students get real-life, hands-on experience that are both fast and flexible to in-demand careers. So much learning happens outside of the classroom, and we have the facilities to make it experiential and fun. Looking to take flight? Our fixed-wing and helicopter programs both offer real-life and simulated experiences. Glove up and let sparks fly at our welding facility. Get eyes-on experience behind the microscope in our chemistry and science labs. Practice your skills at our brand new simulation labs at our latest addition on campus, the Evelyn S. Dame Nursing Allied Health Professions Center. Learn from industry experts in the classroom along with employment in the field for on-the-job training while earning a living as an electrical apprentice. Your future starts here. Book a campus tour today.